to host Olympic Games?
So, we had the honor to host the Olympic session in India after 40 years. So it's after 40 years we brought the Olympic movement back into India, and it was such a historic session where cricket was declared as an Olympic sport, and what better time to have it declared than when the World Cup is happening in India. Our most respected Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji said that India will bid for Olympics, Youth Olympics in 2030 and Summer Olympics 2036. So I think it's so much to look forward to, especially for the young generation of our country.